That was it.
My entire hand.
What's up?
Like just stretching like this has been,
Left arm.
yeah,
Okay.
just like pulling.
Where's it pull from?
Like in my hand mostly.
Does
but
it
I
go
think-
all the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's lay down. Let's check it out. So, and how's the rest of you doing then? Is it doing
Pretty
okay?
good, yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty much on my left side still that
Okay.
seems irritated.
All right. Let's. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it right there. Let's get it right here. That was good. The left side of the low back, or where? Your bottom?
Both, yeah.
Now you can see how that goes up high. This one does not. Now we'll do a drop here. It's gonna come up. Check here. A little bit. All right, let's lay on your side. Or actually, no, that doesn't work out too good when we lay on your side, right? Yeah. Right through there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, let's roll over onto your back. Let it face up. Okay, just let your legs relax. I got you. That was it. Let it go. That was it there. Let's go down a little bit further. Oh, the other way, the other way.
Oh.
I'm down, sweep down. Okay, now lay back. Just like so. Nice. To the right. I'm gonna do this shoulder. That was good, okay. Let's come on up. Usually with the wrist, there's a couple of spots we do. Okay. Alright, and this side's good? This side's good?
Yeah,
Alright,
I
we'll
think
go
so,
with that
for
then.
the most part.
That should be good. Should be feeling a lot better then. Alright, thank you.